Welcome to Oil and Gas Investor Headlines for the week ending in July 8th. I'm Heather Rosenbaum. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, Navport. For more information on their upstream data solutions, visit navport.com. We knew the U.S. had a lot of hydrocarbons in the ground, but now it could start working in our advantage. According to the Deputy Director for Energy Security at the U.S. Department of Energy, the U.S. is expected to become the second largest LNG exporter by 2022. Speaking at the recent Doug East conference in Pittsburgh, Carmine DiFiglio said the amount of U.S. gas exports is expected to more than double in 7 years. The increase can be credited to the size of U.S. reserves and the way contracts are structured, being favorable towards producers. And more good news for the U.S. oil and gas industry. A new study shows the country likely holds more recoverable oil reserves than both Saudi Arabia and Russia. The U.S. has more than 50% of remaining oil reserve tucked into unconventional shale oil. While profitability varies from play to play, cost-cutting inefficiencies have gradually lowered break-even points. And for the past 2 years, there has been one doorway out of the Permian, sale. But now there's a new escape hatch, IPO. Centennial Resource Development has filed paperwork with the SEC that would make it the first U.S. upstream E&P to launch an IPO since June 2014. This could mark a turning point for E&Ps looking for the most lucrative exit. And a buyer of distressed companies found exactly what it was looking for. Mountain Capital Management entered into an agreement to acquire a struggling affiliate of HRG Group's oil and gas business. Mountain Capital's affiliate will buy the company's upstream assets in the Permian Basin, East Texas, and North Louisiana. Thanks for watching this week's Oil and Gas Investor Headlines. For more on these stories and others, head on over to oilandgasinvestor.com. See you next week. To stay up to date on the most recent hard energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.